Brew and Feed is here at the University Circle / Case Western Reserve area in Cleveland, Ohio. We're going to check out Jolly Scholar Brewing Company. We've been hearing about them for a long time, but we've never been. So let's go check them out and see if they know how to brew strong. Okay, it's taken me a minute to figure out how to get in this place. It's in the Thwing Center East Entrance Hall. I think you can get in on the other side of the Thwing Center, but it's in here, I'm pretty sure, because I see people. Okay, I see the signs now. I made it. All right, I just left Jolly Scholar. It's an interesting place. Beers were solid, by the way. There's no trendy beers in there. They have like Vienna lagers and cream ales, light lagers, porter, an Irish stout, but they were all very clean and crisp, well-brewed beers, which I really appreciate. It's very refreshing to go to a place that focuses on the basics and the simple brews. And I'm sure those beers sell well with this crowd. This is a college crowd. You can tell some of the folks in there look like they might be professors. They look like some people maybe from the hospital across the street. University Hospital is across the street. Some students. So those beers probably move really well there, and they're doing a bang up job. So I'm glad I visited. I will be back whenever I need just a straight up, crisp, clean, well-brewed beer. I will come here. They have some bar food. I didn't try it out. Maybe next time I'll come up here around lunchtime and check them out. But Brew and Feed signing out from the campus of Case Western Reserve University and the University Circle area / museum area, because there's a bunch of museums over here, art museums, natural history museums. And that's it. Peace out. Brew strong and feed well.